Good morning, all. Welcome to my channel. Hope you are all well. Today's topic Manibandha Chakra.
Scene script. Ever felt a nagging pain or discomfort in your wrists after a long day of typing or writing? It's a more common issue than you might think, and it's one that can be alleviated with some simple exercises. Today, we'll guide you through an exercise known as Manibandha Chakra or wrist joint rotation, which can help ease that tension and strengthen your wrists. To begin, find a comfortable space where you can sit cross-legged with your back straight. Extend your right arm forward at shoulder level and make a loose fist with your right hand, tucking your thumb inside. This is your starting position. From here, it's time to start the rotations. Slowly rotate your fist about your wrist, remembering to keep the fist facing downward throughout the rotation. Your arms and elbows should remain perfectly straight and still, creating as large a circle as possible. Practice this rotation 10 times clockwise and 10 times anti-clockwise. Once you've completed the rotations with your right hand, you'll do the same with your left. Next, extend both arms in front of your body with loosely clenched fists, keeping your arms straight and at shoulder level. This time, you'll rotate both fists together in the same direction. Again, practice this rotation 10 times in each direction. Finally, we move to the third stage of the exercise. This stage is similar to the previous one, but with a twist. You'll rotate your fists in opposite directions, 10 times in each direction. By now, you should be feeling a gentle stretch in your wrists and hands, a sign that the exercise is working. The beauty of the Manibandha Chakra is not only in its simplicity, but also in its benefits. This exercise is highly beneficial for the joints in your hands and wrists. More importantly, it relieves the tension that can build up from prolonged periods of writing, typing, or any activity that puts a strain on your wrists. Remember, like any exercise, consistency is key. Regular practice of Manibandha Chakra will lead to stronger, more flexible wrists and less discomfort during your day-to-day activities. So, give your wrists the care they deserve and incorporate the Manibandha Chakra into your routine. Your wrists will thank you.